paws on you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your both from across the floor. Noses are nicky like you told Dave Matilda, hee hee. Unzips your baggiest pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy like you, nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
A3. That was probably the shortest it's took so far. That took like 15 or 20 minutes. Yeah. I don't know what to say.